I missed the last part of the day, was out, and I took off around 1:30, 2 o'clock. So I missed the bounce in here and then the the end of the day move. Very tricky move because it's a knife. This rolls over. I had said earlier in the last video that I would not want to see it get back up above the 19 area. It comes back just above, a couple ticks above the IB high, rolls over and then knifes down into the 2:30 time frame. So a half an hour of sharp selling. Retest the assumed support level. New angel sets up, and then this assumed support zone holds. A little bit of an overshoot from this, but we didn't think that the beach ball could be put down here and kept here. And it chops around, and then obviously after 3 o'clock, end of day profits are taken, and that causes the goose up to here, an original breakdown area, obviously, and then another little goose by the boys to come back all the way back through this breakdown bar and back up into the IB high. IB low. And then a couple points at the end, just obviously profit taking from these traders. So tough day for those traders who really thought would get a breakout today to the higher high. This is inconclusive in my mind, other than I think we're obviously the very narrow range for the week, very challenging for traders. And in my opinion, no conclusion yet as to have we seen a top or not. I still think we'll make higher highs. I do think that we're starting to roll over a bit, and it's good for the shorts to at least get a day here and there where, okay, we can at least make some progress. But every solid drop gets met with buying, and that's still a problem for the shorts. Said earlier, keep an eye on the green line for the daily chart. I thought that would be a problem if the shorts managed to push it down and test the 13 area today. That still to keep it there would be another story. And who knows, this is options expiration. If you take the 5 and deepen it a bit to like the 10 or a 15, and better yet a 20, you can really see the rotation time-wise where this thing is just starting to go sideways now, and deeper moving averages catching up. And earlier today we had looked at this chart and said 30, we're going to keep our eye on that. We break the 30, we come back into the support zone, bounce up, hold, obviously the IB low area, and then the knife right here comes down, but we never break the previous day's support area right in here. And so again, every time we get near the support location from the previous day or days seems to be bought. So I'm still saying this is inconclusive as to where we're going from here. I just like the idea today that the shorts at least defended here, and I think that's probably setting up as a false double top before we're done. Nevertheless, good day for the shorts. And to at least get these kind of, and who knows where these come from, whether these are real trades or news. I don't even know what news was this afternoon. All I can tell you is we had another narrow range day, and that's been the case lately. So that's somewhat problematic, I think, for traders looking to take too much out of any one trade. So on next trading day, we're going to come back and we're going to see where we go from here, but this line right in here, we'd said that at the start of the day, this needs to be supportive. We broke it several times, but we've come right back flying from the deeper support. So traders today, anybody that got a nice profit in the afternoon, if you held on to it, obviously, you've got to let it go once it starts to bounce again, and especially the gooses right here at the end of the day. This is where the traders that are trapped down here wanting a breakdown get caught. And once it sets and starts to bounce end of day, here's, 3 o'clock right in here, already signs that the short is done. And part of that is because it's straight down, straight back. All right, hope you guys had a good day. Keep them tight. Don't expect too much out of the market either direction right now as we sort this out. Still got the red line coming at us, so any pullbacks I think will be short-lived. We shall see. Be well. Have a great weekend.